If you have a Samsung phone, there's been a suspension in security updates for your Samsung phone that have just released a new update. I'm going to walk you through everything there is to know, what happened, and how to get it fixed. You can see on here, Samsung temporarily suspended Google Play system updates for all the Galaxy devices to prioritize stability in one of the major One UI rollouts, 8/8.5. And it says to prevent conflicts and ensure system stability while launching UI 8 or 8.5. Specifically, they pause all of the Google Play system updates on your Android phone or your Samsung phone. Now, these were paused for months while they worked out all the kinks and made sure both of them worked together seamlessly. But now they have finally released the update after suspending it for months. And I would highly encourage you to go in and update it so that you can make sure you patch any kind of bugs or any kind of security flaws on your iPhone or your Android phone rather. So we're going to do that just by swiping up and getting into your settings. Now, normally when you update your Samsung phone, you can swipe down until you get to System Update and then go to Download and Install. This will allow you to download and install the latest One UI version. You can see One UI version 8.0 and Android version 16. However, this isn't what was suspended and delayed. Essentially, the Google Play update was what was suspended. So we need to make sure that is updated as well. So make sure you go through the process of updating it here. But after you've done that, let's check a second place as well. So let's go back until we get to the very beginning of your settings. And now at the very beginning of your settings, we're going to go to where it says security and privacy and then updates. You'll be able to see now it says security update at the very top. And if you tap on it, it will just walk through the process of updating, again, the One UI version and the Android version. But there is a second option to be able to update your Samsung phone as well. So let's go back out here and go to Google Play System Update. This is what has been suspended and finally was released. You can see all you need to do is hit check for update and go through the process of updating your phone. You can see Android version 16, Google Play System Update January 1st, 2026. It should say January 1st, 2026. If it doesn't, make sure to update your Android phone. If you're not seeing that update when you go through this process, I would highly recommend just restarting your Android phone and then checking again, and then maybe going on to Google and making sure that your phone has that update available, depending on if it's a really old Samsung phone or a newer Samsung phone.